silence feels safe. But for prey at night, silence can be deadly. Owls don't just sneak up, they remove the sound entirely. In this video, we'll break down the science behind silent flight, pinpoint hearing, and lethal strikes. By the end, you'll hear the night differently. Owls are built to erase noise. Start with their feathers. The leading edges are soft and combed, breaking air into tiny currents. Wider wings mean slow, steady flight instead of noisy flapping. That feather structure reduces turbulence, and turbulence makes sound. No turbulence, no wing beat noise. So an owl can glide like a ghost over fields. Next, the facial disc. It's not decoration. It's a parabolic dish. Sound funnels to the ears like a satellite dish. Some owls have asymmetric ear openings, one higher than the other, so they can triangulate sound in 3D. Combine near-perfect silence with pinpoint hearing, and you get a night hunter who doesn't need light. Owls can locate a mouse under snow, leaves, or tall grass purely by sound. They map distance and direction, then drop like a falling spear. Now the talons. Owls strike with incredible timing. Their feet are strong and cushioned to absorb impact and hold slippery prey. The attack is fast, surgical, and final. Different owls use the same toolkit differently. Barn owls hunt open fields at low heights. Great horned owls take larger mammals at night. Snowy owls hunt by day in the Arctic, where silence means different things. Myths and surprises. Owls aren't always perfect. Wind, rain, and human noise reduce their advantage. Where night is quiet, their method is brutal and effective. Owls also show clever behavior, caching food, learning hunting spots, and sometimes cooperating with mates. They are quiet killers, yes, but also skilled survivors. Why this matters? Understanding the silent hunter shows us how evolution prizes efficiency over spectacle. Owls don't need speed or flash, they need subtlety and perfect timing. If this surprised you, subscribe for weekly deep animal dives. Next on the series, the mantis shrimp, an animal that sees colors humans can't imagine. Watch that next to keep uncovering nature's hidden powers. Thanks for watching. Stay curious and listen to the night.